What's good, YouTube? Back with another video, man. This is now my Arrma Vorteks 4 to 6S. 4 to 6S. Last time y'all seen this truck, it was most definitely a 3 to 4S truck, but now we are on a 2260 kV motor, Rocket RC, and yeah, man, we got a custom battery tray. I will be releasing these. I don't know the price point yet, but if you have a Vorteks 2-wheel drive, I will be releasing these. These will be for sale. See how I got my batteries set up. There's probably no other Vorteks like this. It would be no more than $25 to $30 at best. Yeah, man, but we're gonna get this pass in. I haven't been able to really good passes in on 6S because I was using these small 2200 milliamp batteries, one with unknown charge rate, and this Hovo 2200 80C. Both of these batteries, I got 80 on these, and probably could get 80 on those as well. I think I got like maybe a mile or two faster off of those batteries. These are, like I say, some unknown batteries I had for a truck I got from Walmart. So they pretty decent batteries though. Pretty decent 3S batteries. But now we got two 6500 milliamp 120C charge rate batteries in. So hoping for some much faster speeds. I ain't really been doing speed runs lately. I've been doing more draggy passes. So I'm gonna get this draggy pass in, and I'm gonna let y'all know what the times was. I'll put a video up about it. But so after the draggy video, I'll probably get some speed runs in. But after that, after the dragging, excuse me, y'all. Somebody passed by and kind of messed me up, got me tongue tied. But yeah. So anyway, after the draggy passes, I'm gonna do some speed runs and get a couple passes if it survives. Cause it's been acting up lately, man. I'm trying to run bigger gears and stuff like that, and it's just been acting up. So we'll see what's going on. All right, so we just did a draggy pass. First pass was a failure. I had to pretty much, for some reason, my motor, it keeps coming loose. So when my motor come loose, my pinion gears come loose, obviously, right? Well, it's not really coming loose, it's shifting. So when the motor shifts, you know, the pinion and spur gear come unaligned. So I had to fix that. I got a pass in, so hopefully I don't have to worry about that no more. I just did 1/8 of a mile in 6.9 seconds. I let out a little early, so I probably could have got a 6.7, 6.8 at 80 miles an hour. So but I think my top speed on there on the draggy was like 83. But obviously all that'll be in the video as well, the draggy pass. But yeah, man, this is most definitely the fastest Arrma Vorteks in the world. Mega. Arrma Vorteks Mega. Let me make sure I put that out there. Arrma Vorteks Mega 550 2-wheel drive. All right, so y'all know this body. If you got this truck, y'all know this body. You know the other colors of it. I think the other color is an orange color. So, and y'all also know they just released the new one, which I might get that one as well, so I can have the second fastest. Cause I ain't gonna say the second, but you know, I'm definitely gonna get that one up there too. But it's a sauce to these cars, man. You know, it's a sauce to these cars, and if you ain't got the sauce, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? This right here, you got to have the sauce to make it go fast. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably the only person that has really turned this into a speed run build. You know what I'm saying? Like a real official speed run build. And like I say, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get 100 miles an hour of it, cause that 100 is looking, I ain't gonna say it's looking bleak, man. It's just with the gearing situation on this car, the gearbox is not big enough. You know, it's not meant for big gears. But I got a solution for that, but I still can only go up so big. So the only other option is to gear down on your spur gear, which is still gonna give you top end speed, lower acceleration. It's just not gonna give you as much as a pinion gear will. But yeah, man, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm probably not gonna do a speed run, just cause it's pretty much no point when I'm already got the draggy attached to it. Matter of fact, I am gonna do a couple little passes so y'all can see how I look when it passes, man, cause these foam tires do be hitting. Let's see if I can get like a nice little drag pass. I don't know. Woo! Well, that thing is super spicy. My God. And I'm only on a 24-2 pinion gear right now. So definitely not worried about getting hot. None of that, even though this is a speed run build. Let me leave some tracks in the road for y'all real quick. Tighten up this gyro. Jeez. Well, that thing leaving skid marks in the road now, boy. Got them phones on there, everything leaving skid marks in the road, man. Only Arrma Vorteks doing that. Unless you got some hoons on or something, but you still got to make the power. Yes, Lord, boy, I love this Vortex. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie to you. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, boy. I love this Vortex. I got a Creighton 6S, and I don't even like my Creighton 6S as much as I love this Vortex now. It's insane. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I love this Vortex, man. Y'all follow any of my other videos on my channel, man. I'm a real drag racer in real life. I just been going through some issues with my car, so that's why I ain't been making no videos with my car. But I'm a content creator, so you know I'm still gonna post content, and that's what I've been doing lately. So that's what I'm posting. You know, I got into this hobby, and yeah, man. You know what I mean? Look at my little marks. Yeah, a little Vortex, a little 6S Vortex. I'm gonna see what I can do on 4S, man. I might do a speed run on 4S. That's probably what I'll do. I'll probably do a speed run on 4S. Yeah, that's what I'll probably do. But I'm gonna try to get another draggy pass, man. God willing, don't nothing happen to my gearbox. My motor don't slide loose or nothing like that, man. God willing. Praise be to him. We're gonna try to get another draggy pass, though. I'm gonna get back with y'all.